How to make instant booking on Letsgoholiday.my. Go to Letsgoholiday.my. Key in your destination. Choose your check-in and check-out date. Click Search. Choose the hotel or homestay that you want. You can filter to get the property which fulfill your requirement on the right. Check the maximum guest number allowed by the hotel/homestay. Choose the hotel or homestay only if your number of people does not exceed the maximum guest number. Once decided, click on Book Now. Then, click Check Price. In this page, you may view the room types that is available to be booked on the date that you have selected. The people icon shows the maximum number of guests allowed for each room type. After that, choose the room type you wish to book. Click on View Rates to view the type of rates plan available for the room type. In addition, you can click on the cancellation policy to read the cancellation policy for each rates plan. Note that not all rates plans have the same cancellation policy. Make sure you read and understand the policy before you proceed with the booking. Once you have decided which rates plan to choose, select Book Room. Note that the total pack should not exceed the max packs. The host, front desk officer reserves the right to deny your check-in upon your arrival if the number of guests exceeds the maximum allowed. Fill in your details correctly. Leave any remarks or request, if any. Tick this box after you have read and understand the privacy policy and cancellation policy. You could see the additional charges will be shown clearly after the subtotal. Note, the amount for to be collected upon check-in means that you will only pay for the additional charges at the hotel upon check-in. Click Continue to make the booking. You are given 15 minutes to complete the booking by making payment. Choose the payment method preferred. After you have made a payment, you will receive a paid email notification with the booking ticket attached to it. Let's start to make instant booking on Letsgoholiday.my now.
Hey guys, thanks for watching our videos. My name is Kenny from Sales Department as Business Development Manager in Softinn. So, my role in Softinn is to develop and grow Softinn business in the frontline. If you enjoy our videos, do hit our like button and subscribe our channel below. Bye.